Today I'm going to show you how to stop receiving top posts and stories notifications periodically on X, formerly Twitter. If you're tired of getting those repeated email notifications and you want to clean up your inbox, this quick setting change will help. And if this video saves you time, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this. Let's jump right in. First, open x.com and make sure you're signed into your account. On the left navigation bar, click on More. This will open up the full menu with additional account settings. From there, click Settings and Privacy. Once you're inside Settings, click Notifications. This is where X lets you control what kinds of alerts and emails you receive. Next, click Preferences. Inside Preferences, look for Email Notifications and click it. This section controls the email alerts sent to your account, including periodic content updates. Now, find top posts and stories. If you want to stop these notifications completely, toggle it off. If you still want fewer emails, you can also set it to daily or weekly instead of getting them more often. Choose the option that works best for you and keeps your inbox under control. And that's it. You've now stopped or reduced the top posts and stories notifications on x.com. If this helped, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick social media tips and step-by-step guides.